Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to make another quick and simple soap. This one is going to be lemongrass with poppy seeds. So I'll probably call it lemongrass scrub or lemongrass poppy seed. I've always done a lemongrass with oatmeal in it, and this time I decided to kind of up the exfoliating factor just a little bit by adding the poppy seeds. Lemongrass smells really good. And once you add the essential oil, it kind of naturally adds a little bit of yellow color to the soap. So I don't add anything additional for the colorant. Just try and keep it a little bit more natural with the lemongrass essential oil and then the poppy seeds. So I've mixed in my kaolin clay, my colloidal oatmeal, just added in my lye. I'll get ready to add in the essential oil in a moment and the poppy seeds. The poppy seeds, you just kind of got to figure out what level of exfoliation you like. I kind of eyeball it, so I don't necessarily know how much I'm adding, but I kind of have a little scoop and I kind of know exactly how much is good for my size batch. So there you go. You can see the lemongrass essential oil added in. Now to add the poppy seeds. Then I'm going to pour and I'll bring you guys back for the cut.